Hi guys, today we're going to be doing the 4th page in the Remnants Lovely Layers Prima Lavender mini album book that we are making, that I had designed for the MadeItCon. And once again, this is the first week of March. MadeItCon has not happened yet, but you won't see these videos for a couple months. So, just giving you a heads up. So, we're going to go, as usual, my templates, there's a direct link to my templates in the description box below. There's a direct link to the YouTube playlist for the Remnants Lovely Layers. And there's also links to different shops if you're looking for certain things that I use. So, let's go on and get started. This is page number 4. And what we're going to use on page number 4 is page 13. Which is this page. It's the tag pockets 1 and 2. We're going to be using both of those. And then this is the leftover from one of the main base layers from the very beginning. So we're going to be using, I think this was main base layer 1. We're going to be using this pocket as well. So here's the paper collection that we're using. Prima Lavender. So pretty. Alright. So let's see here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cut these 2 pockets, and one is going to be a pocket and one is going to be a flip. So the first thing I want to do is I'm just going to separate the 2 pockets from the other elements on the page real quick and put this aside. We don't need that for this page. And then, okay, so I know I'm definitely making this little one the pocket that's going to be on this page. It's going to be actually on this page. So I think we're going to have this page showing up. So I want to leave this tab over here. So I want to leave the tab on the left because I'm going to be flipping it this way. Okay, so I need to take the other 2 tabs off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. This is a Fiskars a Precision paper trimmer. Okay, and then I'm going to use my scissors for the rest of it. Alright, so for the little pocket, I am going to go ahead and tab these miter these corners here so that I don't accidentally cut that off for whatever reason. These are Tim Holtz tonic little mini scissors. These are like the 5-inch ones. And I have them upside down. I'm starting to get used to them. I think I said that already. But like I said, these were filmed a long time ago. This is the first week in March. So you probably already know whether or not I like these scissors. All right, and then I'm going to cut a straight line across the top here. That's a pretty little piece, isn't it? All right, and I'm going to curve around these corners. Alright, and then I'm going to do the same for this one. I'm going to miter that corner and this corner. You won't see a whole tab on this page, and that's okay. I did it that way on purpose, but it's still a tab. So, just letting you know. Okay. So we got those 2, and then I'm going to go ahead and miter the pocket corners. Oops, cut a little too far. Alright, now I'm going to get my paper trimmer. I'm going to get my scoreboard out, the EK Tools scoreboard, and I'm going to get my stylus out, and I'm going to go ahead and score all of the tabs that are left on here. So I'm going to do that and then be back. Alright, I've got all 3 pieces scored. So now I'm just going to go ahead and prep these pieces. This one I'm going to prep the right way, and then I'm going to flip it and prep it the other way. And I also want to go ahead and get my bone folder out and like do just a quick burnishing. Just make some crisper, the folds, the score marks, whatever. Just make some neater, crisper, whatever you want to say. Okay, so now I'm going to take some ink. This is Distress Oxide in Walnut Stain. And my blending tool, my Tim Holtz blending tool. And I'm going to go ahead and ink everything up. So I'm going to ink that pocket, and I'm going to ink this pocket, and I'm going to ink both sides of the flap tag page. Alright, I've got those 3 inked, but I forgot something. I forgot an element. Once again, this is the page number 5. This is main base layer 3. We need one of these to make a side pocket. So I'm going to trim off this belly band. This is what happens when I get in a hurry. I start forgetting stuff. So this is my second video today, and I'm running out of time. I have to get these recorded. I have to. So we're going to take one of the long tabs off. Like that. And we're going to miter everything. We're going to score everything and ink it up, and then I will be back and we will assemble the page. Okay, that's ready to go. Now let's get some tape out. This is double-sided score tape. Double-sided. I don't think they make single-sided score tape now, do they? So this is a 1/4 inch score tape, and it's by Suquane or Score Pal or whatever. I think it goes by many names. Sorry if I sound funny again. I'm not on allergy medicine today, but my throat sure is scratchy. I'm not digging that at all. Whoa. So we want to put it on that side of that tab, and we're going to do all 3 of these tabs and all 3 of these tabs. Alright, I got score tape on everything, and then I realized that I'd actually put the tape on the wrong side of the tab. So instead of redoing the whole thing, I'm just going to leave that there, the backing there, and just hope that I don't tear into it. But this is what happens when you get in a hurry. This is what happens to me when I get in a hurry anyway. I start making mistakes like that. So I just went ahead and put another piece on this side. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to attach this main base layer 3. We're going to attach the long side to the 2 short sides. And my brain's just not wanting to focus, you guys. I've got so much going on right now, and I don't have that much time left to do any of it. Or, you know, most of it's done, don't get me wrong. But I still got tons left to do, and I'm having a hard time focusing, you know? Alright, so we're just going to line this up on this page here. Ooh, I don't think I scored this very well. But we're going for it. Yep, I've got some overhang, and that's okay. I'm just going to go ahead and ink it up. And nobody will be the wiser. Okay, so there's that. And then we're going to take this long pocket, or this long tag flip page, and we're going to slide it in here in that opening. And we're going to match it up without going over that score mark. Try to get it somewhat straight on there. Not too shabby. Like that. And then this pocket, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to tack the long side down to the 2 short sides. And then this pocket goes right here on this side. Like that. And then this pocket goes on the front. So again, same thing. We're going to tack the bottom to the two sides first. And we're going to go ahead and attach it to the bottom of the pocket flip page. Like that. Oh, I forgot to punch a hole. I'm not going to punch this hole, I don't think, but I am going to on this one. I'm just going to see if I can slide it in there. Like that. I don't think I'm going to put a tag or tie on it, but alright, so let's make some inserts for these two pockets. So I'm going to grab, I think I'm just going to grab, this is one of the Build Embellishment Tag set number 5 templates. And I've just grabbed a scrap from over here. This is one of my large cut-off pieces. I'm going to go ahead and just lay this on here and trace around it. It's the same shape as the tag pocket. So I think it looks pretty cool. So that's going to be the tag for there, and then I'm just going to use this tag, this piece here, I think, and I'm just going to use it for height, and I think I'll just have a square one, a square, or a rectangle, sorry, a rectangle tag. So I'm just going to cut that right there, that mark, right? Alright, so I'm going to finish cutting these out, and then, which one did I think it's this one. And then I'm going to ink them up, and then I'll be right back. Alright, I've got them both inked up on both sides, and I put a hoe reinforcement on this one, so this is going to go here. Isn't that cute? I think that might need a pull, so let's go ahead and do that. I so want to use a piece of seam binding, but I'm scared. So we're going to put a pull on the tag. Like that. Alright, so I was thinking about this tag here, and I was thinking about doing something. So these are pieces from other parts, other pages that we've used. So I think I'm going to use these and a paper clip and I don't know what all else, but I think I'm going to use these. Should probably be using my smaller scissors, but it's okay. I will for that part. So these are called ribbon tails. There's a couple different sizes in the template. They're so cute, or at least I think they're cute. And I've got my scissors upside down again. Do the other Tim Holtz Tonic scissors do that? Do they have that serrated edge like that too? I mean, you can even see it a little bit. Let me look at them. Look at my grody ones. They do. Those are some old scissors right there. Okay. So I'm thinking, let me go ahead and ink these up. I think it'll just be cute. Have it like a little tuck, little side tuck or something. So it goes like this. right? And then it could go right here. I like it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a staple from a tiny attacher, my Tim Holtz tiny attacher, and I'm just going to put a staple in there right there. And then I think I'm going to add a paper clip to that as well, one of my rusted paper clips. Just because I really dig it, that's why. Not for any other special reason, just cause. And then this is one of the tags from one of the earlier pages as well. This is the middle tag, I believe. And I thought it'd be cute right here. Or should we have it flashy side up? So then this goes in here like that. That's cute. I like it. I like that. And I like this page. Okay, so let's do something here. Let's get a flower. Let's get some stickers and flower and stuff. Let's get this thing of flowers. And I'm going to use one of these. What do I call these? I can't never remember what I call these. I know. I feel like I want to look. Oops, almost did that again. I'm going to use the middle one maybe. So I'm going to go ahead. I just think they're cute for like writing, you know, like the date or the event. I think it's a perfect little spot for that. Do the little fishtail here. So we could put it here like a this. And then a flower, and then maybe a sticker. Oh, I love that. I love you. That's cute. I think I already said that in the last video, the one that says I love you. Maybe this is where we're going to use it. I'm going to ink this up. Ooh, these stickers are very thin. Does anybody notice that? Right, so maybe this could go here. Let's put this right here. Let me ink this up. And a flower. What do you think? Should I have that more at an angle? Maybe not so much. Right there. I like it. I'm going to glue it down. So I'm going to glue the banner down first. I'm not going to glue it down all the way, just on the one end. And then the flower. That's cute. I like it. Simple. Whoops. Yep, I like it. Yeah, I think I'm just going to leave it like that, you guys. I think I'm going to leave that full like that. Well, for now, until we get more done, and then maybe once we get the covers done, and maybe we'll come back and put more embellishments in different spots like we did with the Graphic 45, but I'm still not sure, but I love that paper clip. All right, so we're gonna leave it like this, and then in the next video we'll do this side. So if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out the description box. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit that circle. And then if you want to check out my Etsy shop where the templates and build embellishments are, you can hit this little spot right here. And you may like some of the other videos that you see. I will see you guys in next time. Bye.